Hey guys, this is part 2 of my YouTube videos. The last videos. I hope this is kind of loud, because I watched it and it's really loud. So yes, part, whoa. I'm driving back to California, so, and we got the can opener, we got scissors, snip, 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 and then we got, we got this, I thought it was for trees, but there's another one right here that's for trees too, so, well, I think it's for trees, it's kind of the same thing. And we got this knife right here that was made in China. Let's put the can opener. And then we got another can opener right there. Put that down. Put the knife down. I don't want to get hurt. Alright. Oh, we got another one coming up. We got the wine opener right there. Right there, see. I'm sorry. Oh, here's another one. I'm so sorry. And then we got, the knife with a hole inside at the tip. I'm not really sure what knife it is. Put a comment down if you know what knife this is, because I'm not sure what knife this is. Oh my gosh. Alright, I just need to put this down. Alright, this one, I know it's doing this. Then we got the screwdriver right there. We got the knife that comes with like all the pocket knives. So bumpy right now. Oh my gosh, it's been like 2 minutes and I'm so sorry. Alright. Then we got that knife that you get stuff on your foot. No, mine. No. Alright, so now we got that knife. The holes. I'm gonna put that down. And we got the keychain part right here. It's beautiful. Yeah, this is my video and our suitcase. It's in here. Yeah, so this is my video and bye.